So, you know that moment when Apple drops a new iPhone and suddenly every other phone just feels outdated? Well, get ready because the iPhone 16 is just around the corner, and trust me, the camera upgrades alone are going to blow your mind. If you're a photography enthusiast, a vlogger, or just love snapping pics for Instagram, then you know how important a good camera is. And Apple, as always, is stepping up its game with the iPhone 16 series. So what's all the buzz about? Stick around because we're diving into all the juicy camera leaks and rumors, everything from insane zoom capabilities to AI-driven editing tools that could change the way you capture the world. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. First up, let's talk about a game changer, Apple's rumored new physical camera button. Yeah, you heard that right. The iPhone 16 might come with a dedicated shutter button, just like on a DSLR. Imagine the convenience. A half press to focus and a full press to capture that perfect shot. But wait, there's more. Rumor has it that this button could recognize swipe gestures, letting you zoom in and out with just a flick. It's like turning your iPhone into a pro-level camera. Now, let's zoom in. Literally, the iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to come with a 5x optical zoom, something we've only seen on the iPhone 15 Pro Max so far. But here's the kicker. The iPhone 16 Pro Max might go beyond that with a super telephoto lens. We're talking serious zoom power here, perfect for those wildlife shots or capturing action from afar. If you've been dreaming of getting closer to the action without losing quality, this could be your next phone. But what about image quality? Rumors suggest the iPhone 16 Pro will sport a larger image sensor, 1 to 1.14 inches to be exact. That's bigger than what we've seen before, which means more light, more detail, and better performance in low light. Picture this: stunning night shots, vibrant colors, and a dynamic range that makes every photo pop. If you're serious about photography, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. And for those who love capturing the bigger picture, Apple hasn't forgotten about you. The Ultrawide Camera is rumored to get a massive boost to 48 megapixels. That's right, no more compromising on quality when you want to capture those sweeping landscapes or group selfies. This upgrade is long overdue, and it's going to make your ultra-wide shots sharper and more detailed than ever. Lastly, let's talk design. The base iPhone 16 and 16 Plus might feature a vertical camera layout, bringing back a bit of that iPhone 12 vibe. But there's more to it than just aesthetics. This layout could make it easier to shoot spatial video, perfect for Apple's Vision Pro headset. Imagine capturing videos that aren't just 2D, but give you a 3D-like experience when viewed on the right device. The future of video might just be in your pocket. So, are you as excited as I am about these potential upgrades? Apple seems to be pulling out all the stops with the iPhone 16 cameras, and I can't wait to see how these rumors pan out. What feature are you most hyped about? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're pumped for the iPhone 16. And of course, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest tech news. Until next time, keep snapping those perfect shots. Peace out.